Golden Initiative. Swap up to 2 cards from your side of the board with any cards on the board that have the starting position of allies. You may swap with the Afterlife cards as well. So, that's a nice touch because it also has a restrictive element that I can swap any cards on my side, but they can only swap with cards that have the starting position of allies, as you can see here with the gold, here, and then both of the cards in the Afterlife have allies as well. So I have options, which is nice. So I'm going to start with getting rid of this -5 for this 12. That's always a nice swap right there. And then I can do this 4 for either this 9, 8, 5, or that 9. It's really up to your choice. So I'm going to go with the one in the Afterlife. And that's Golden Initiative.